Welcome back to School of Calisthenics. We're back with Sam Oldham, GB gymnast, because we've had something on our list of things to do for a while that we can't do.
I think it's been on mine for 3 years.
Yeah, and it's something we really want to be able to do, and that's backflip. Now, Jacko, why do you want a backflip?
Because it's cool.
Let's get started.
So step one from GB gymnast.
Step one, so the first part of doing a backflip, you need to be strong enough and have the right arm swing action combined with the jump from your legs to get high enough to be able to rotate around and do the backflip. So that's what we're going to be practicing. You're going to want to use all your legs, jump right through your legs. You're going to swing your arm up, and then you're going to, when you land, you're going to go into that tuck position. And roll it. Yeah, you don't want to be too close, because what will happen is when you swing, you'll like swing around to that. So yeah, the main thing is just trying to really push up, lift your arms up, like really try and like lift your arms up and then tuck it. Yeah, that's good, that's good. And then you just got to keep your head.
I find that's the hardest bit with a backflip, is going up and then getting them back down.
Yeah, a big thing is your head. So what I want you to do is, I want you to focus on a point in front of you. Yeah. So I want you to say, focus on like midway through that bar up right there. Yeah. You're going to focus on that when you jump. But you obviously still got to jump backwards, but just keep your chin in. Yeah, way better.
That was killer.
So that was way better. That was way better. Straight away, just keeping your head in. It's just going to mean you're going to kick your knees over your head and roll over rather than
as opposed to
like a parachute. Yeah, exactly.
With Tim's hypermobility, you might kick yourself in the head.
So I'm going to go here, like watch.
Arms up, watch forwards, tuck in.
Felt good.
Yeah, it's not bad, not bad. Just got a little bit more swing with your arms. Yeah, that was good. Did that hurt your legs? No. Right, you just need to be a little bit further forward. But like in terms of like actually how much height you've got, that's absolutely fine. Yeah, really good. What you got to do is think up and then hands in.
Definitely found like fixing on a point. Almost you hit that point.
Yeah, almost think about arms up to that
and then going backwards.
So you're like watching a half.
So you see that halfway up that bar,
hit it and then.
Yeah. So you almost imagine you can see your hands go into that point.
Yeah.
And then you tuck in. Yeah, way better. Way better.
I'm going to
still do a little bit more, but that was way better.
Muscle up analogy. It's like get high and then jump forward. It's like get high and then
rotate. Yeah. Because it's about the technique of the takeoff. Like the somersault, you're going to rotate, no problem. As soon as you tuck yourself, you're going to rotate. It's about getting the height to be able to get yourself around. But if you just rush it straight away, that's when you're going to struggle.
Yeah, the one last one. You go super high.
Nice, that was really good, man.
Step 2A, and it looks scary because you're making me do it, and you're going to do what we're going to do.
So we're essentially just going to do the same thing, mate. So exactly what we did on the floor. We're going to set up, lift our arms, tuck in, keep nice and tight. And then me and Tim over here are going to tip you in the pit. You're going to roll over and mimic the back somersault.
So it's not the same thing if you're going to flip me.
So all you got to concentrate on is jumping, landing in that tuck position. Just keep your legs tight. Land on that. You're going to land on there. Yeah. Will you actually let me down? Yeah, we'll let you down.
This is flipping line.
This is one of those trusting things. We've moved the box out of the way before you go. You're just going to do it.
That was too good. That was going to make a brilliant blooper, though. Yeah, that was too good, mate. That was because you went so high. So that was too good. When you have landed, Jacko, you're just going to hold your knees and squeeze tight.
And I'm going to pull your knees. I'm doing a rolling pole.
Instead of putting all the cramp. Hey! Concentrate on this. For you, it's concentrate. Yeah, thanks. For you, it's just concentrate on that arm lift. Is that alright? Me and Jacko will try and do the rest. Yeah!
Get him in there.
You need to do a double back then. Hey! A surprise by yourself. You're ready to go by yourself. Is that right? Was that right?
You didn't even do the box.
All you need to concentrate on is technique. So arms up, tuck in, just keep your head tucked in when you pull your knees over.
Oh my days! Oh.
It's like he's on a trampoline the way he comes out the floor.
That's way better than when we did it last time.
I think you're staying tighter.
And it's just a,
Chin in.
No, but again, for me, it's that thing of like once you know the technique, like you're able to do it.
It's like the flag for you.
It's like the flag for me, but the backflip for you guys. Once you know that technique, when someone tells you it, you know it's then you're physically able to do it. No, do one more.
Another.
That was too early on that one. The only thing you did was you let your chin go out.
My close.
Yeah, you did. Just that arm lift, keeping your chin all the time. Oh, no.
This is going to be amazing.
Easy peasy.
Whilst Tim, look, is having to get extra coaching.
Master backflip.
You don't need a coach. End on my feet now. Not really funny though. I think I've just done 5 on the bounce. Listen out, breath out, breath out. Best time ever.
Best cardio
It's
ever.
hard, like knackered.
Yes, that was it. That was bang on. So you're just slowly gonna build up. So you put a soft mat in,
Okay.
like a soft mat, then a little bit higher. Then you get the level.
That one that's on top.
Yeah, then you get the level right. Then what you probably do is you go and start on a higher level on the floor. So you might start on the block to like a lower mat, and then you get lower until you're doing it off the floor to the floor. It's just that natural progression. It's like,
Can we try that?
Yeah. Arms up. Hey!
Nice, Timbo.
Stop me, babe. SpongeBob. Stop me, chin,
Yeah, just think, lift up with the arms, knees over your head. I can't do it like that. Yes! That was really good, you stuck with that. But again, it's just that knowing that somebody telling you the right technique makes all the difference.
That key for me was to stop thinking I have to bring my hands down, just bring the knees up.
Because like you said, it's like putting on the brake.
Yeah.
Nice. Like, see that one, like that is close to being able to be on the floor.
Yeah. Yeah.
You just see the depth travel that way. So we came with the goal of learning the backflip. I feel like just being held back a little bit for safety reasons. Sergey.
I mean, he's only been coaching Sam 17 years, so.
And I think Sam knows what he's talking about. So the suggestion is just hone your skills a little bit and then come back.
Yeah, we're gonna come back. Yeah, we're gonna come back and do another session, have a little jamming session.
We're gonna be allowed to do it on the floor.
Yeah, and we're gonna do it on the floor. That's the aim. Next time we'll do it on the floor. You heard it here first.
And then you'll see nothing but backflips. It's a school of backflips.
So until next week.
Class dismissed.